Want to upload 120 frames per second videos to TikTok like this? Let's get into the video. Prepare your edit first. Make sure it's 120 frames per second. Here I made the edit on a 120 frames per second composition with 120 frames per second clips. Now after you finish making your edit, render. You edit in H.264 codec. If you don't have it, use vocoder plugin to render the video. It has H.264 codec as well. Now for the next step, you need it to download and install FFmpeg software using this website. I'll put the link in description and top comment. Now for the next step. After you render the edit, put it in a folder called Video, like this. Now rename your edit name to Input. After that, click here and type Command and press Enter. Now copy-paste this code and press Enter. I'll put it in the description. Now close the CMD tab. Now we are done. You just have to upload the video named Output to TikTok like this. There's one catch to this method though. You can only view the video properly on mobile TikTok. In desktop, it looks like the video has been slowed down 6 times. Keep that in mind when you use this method. There you go. Now you know how to upload 120 frames per second videos to TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.